Hello student, this is KK Bhatt from LPM School. Today I am going to explain the exercise of the poem How's My Coat. In this particular poem, writer just want to aware the people to save natural resources and use it wisely. In this sequence, say the first question of the poem. They complete this summary about the poem. It means we have to complete the summary about the poem. See here, the first stanza. The first stanza says that we should not exhaust. We should not exhaust the reserves are. Look here, अब यहाँ देखो जो फर्स्ट स्टैंजा वो किसके बारे में बात कर रहा है, तो आपका आंसर होगा कोल के बारे में. ये किसके बारे में बात कर रहा है? कोल के बारे में. तो आप क्या लिखोगे? आप कोल. नाउ सी हियर द सेकंड स्टैंजा. द सेकंड स्टैंजा टॉक्स अबाउट, किसके बारे में बात कर रहा है? विंड, WIND, wind and second stanza says that second stanza says that petroleum here is, यहाँ का ऑप्शन होगा is best background, is best underground. Says the second stanza says that petroleum is best underground and that यहाँ पे क्या होगा? should not waste. Now see here the third line, the third stanza. The third stanza talks about इसके बारे में बात कर रहा है, ये विंड के बारे में बात कर रहा है. And how it is एयर क्या करता है? ब्लो करता है. how it is blowing. Now see here the next line. The next line is the fourth stanza. The fourth stanza says that we should explore. What explore? We should explore wave power, WAVE, wave power. यहां क्या लिखोगे? wave power. हो गया. The fifth stanza tells us to use इसके बारे में solar light. To use solar light. किसके बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ? सोलर लाइट के बारे में बात कर रहा है. टू यूज सोलर लाइट. एंड दैट स्टफ, STUFF, स्टफ्स फॉर बैकअप. बैकअप ये हो गया स्टफ फॉर बैकअप इज only a standby option. Standby option. In what option? Standby option. In case of a rainy day. In case of a rainy day. In case of a rainy day. I think it is clear, the first answer. Now see here B, maths. See here B, maths. B का मतलब क्या होता है? मैच द कॉलम्स. फर्स्ट को आप मैच करेंगे B से, सेकेंड को आप मैच करेंगे C से, थर्ड को हम मैच करेंगे डी से, फोर्थ को मैच करेंगे हम ई से, एंड फिफ्थ मैच करेंगे ए से. नाउ सी द मैचिंग, द आंसर इज क्लियर. सी हियर कोल, हियर बी, बिकॉज फॉसिल फ्यूल इन ब्रैकेट हैज बीन गिवन कोल. ब्रैकेट में कोल दिया हुआ तो क्लियर. आयरन स्टैंडर्ड 2. सी फॉसिल फ्यूल पेट्रोलियम, तो पेट्रोलियम दिया तो क्लियर हो गया कि सेकेंड को हम सी से मैच करेंगे. Now D, third, wind, stanza 3. See here D, wind energy, wind energy. ये भी क्लियर हो गया कि wind energy यानी wind energy क्या है. Wind power, stanza 5E, hydroelectric power. अब जानते हैं उसको वेव से फाइंड आउट करते हैं. Solar energy from the sun. It is clear how to match it. See here, first from B with B, second with C, third with D, fourth with E, and 5 with A. Now see here the discuss. Discuss in pairs. Share your answer with the class. I think everyone has book, so there is no need to write the question. I just describe the answer. So see here the question and answer of the particular topic. The first question is, who is the speaker? See first. Who is the speaker in the poem? Who is the speaker in the poem? Why do you like? Why do you think so? Why do you think so? See here, look here, answer. Answer. The earth is the speaker. The earth is the speaker, as it is telling, the source of energy, and how to use them wisely, and how to use them wisely. You understand? Now see the second question. Second question is what? See here the second question. What is the poem about? What is the poem about? इसमें poem किसके बारे में बात कर रही है? आपका आंसर होगा, see here the answer. The poem is See your answer. The poem is about nature. The poem is about the natural resources. Natural resources. What is about natural resources available on the earth? Available on the earth means the poem is about the natural resources available on the earth. I think it is clear. Now see here the third question. Third question हम देखो क्या है. Third question. Third question, does the poem issue a warning? हमसे पूछा जा रहा है does the poem issue a warning? Express hope, offer advice, or suggest solution. Which line tell you so? See the answer. ये लाइनें कौन सी आपको ये बताना है. लाइन समझ आ जाएगी. लिखोगे the lines are ऐसे आप ऐसे दो. लाइन्स दो कौन सा है? ये है don't use it all up at once. See here the second line. Don't let it spoil. And third line, I assume you are using solar right. This line indicates about the natures. Now see here the fourth question. The fourth question. Fourth question is this poem is also a call for action. What are we urged? You are urged to do. What are urged to do? Now see the answer of this particular question. Answer. The poem is calls for action to protect our natural resources, to protect our natural resources, protect our natural resources. We are urged to use natural resources wisely. We are urged to use natural resources wisely and also take other action as solar light. Now see here the question E and D. Now see here the question D and E. D का क्या दिया है? The poem is like a monologue where an audience is being addressed or spoken to. What is the speaker's attitude to the people addressed? What is attitude? What is the aim of the speaker to say this? So here, just right answer. The speaker wants to aware the people to use natural resources wisely, not to waste these blindly. What does the speaker want to aware the people to use natural resources wisely? Use here. Not to waste these blindly. Now see here the next. This is I think C. यहाँ पर D हो गया. Now see here E. The language is causal and informal. There is no regular pattern to the lines. The length of the lines vary. What effect does it create in the tone of the poem? Does it make it sound like a formal speech or a friendly conversation? I think friendly conversation. Just complete the answer. It creates understanding. It creates understanding of the fact. It is a friendly conversation. It is a friendly conversation. It is a friendly conversation. I think that is the complete of your exercise. Thanks to watch my video. I hope you will subscribe, like and share in your group.